Leave a like on Facebook, get paid. Leave a like on Twitter, get paid. Leave a like on YouTube, get paid. The more you like, the more money you will earn, and people from all over the world are being paid every single day, and they're all cashing out instantly. This is a platform which we never talked about before. It's brand new and it's 100% free to join. Now, I want you to think about something for a moment. You have probably been using social media for years now. I myself use it for over a decade, and during that period of time, just think about how many likes you have left on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. The number is probably over 10,000. But if you sign up to this free tool, every like that you leave from now on will be worth some money. You will be paid per each like you leave on all of those social media platforms, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from because it works worldwide. So we will shortly begin with a step-by-step tutorial, but first of all I want to show you a withdrawal proof, because in some of the previous videos I saw that some of you guys commented that I never show you how to actually withdraw money from the website. So here it is. It's really simple. You will go to your account where you can see your balance, and if it's over $2 you can request to cash out through PayPal, so you can collect some free PayPal money with this. You will enter the amount that you want to cash out. So if you want to withdraw $500, $900, whatever amount you have on your balance, you can type it right here, enter your PayPal email address, select the method you want to get paid, and click request cash out. It's simple as that, and you will receive your payment in 1 up to 10 days, and then you can spend it on whatever you prefer. Now if you actually go to their payment proofs right here, you will be able to see that they paid out over $18,427 to their users. So these guys are from all over the world being paid every single day, sometimes even every single hour, and you have hundreds of them making money just by leaving likes. So over $18,000 in total, and it's a new platform that we never used before. Now I will reveal this brand new app to you in a minute, but I just want to show you that if you hover your mouse right here where it says earn points/money, you will be able to see that you can get paid for Facebook likes, YouTube likes, Instagram likes, Twitter likes, even clicking on websites, and much more. And besides that, they also have daily contests and daily bonuses that will give you free points/free money just for logging in every single day. So once you log in on a daily basis, you will earn 200 points, which you can then exchange for real money. So even without liking, you can still get paid, so you can earn some extra cash just by logging into your account every single day. Now if you stay until the end of the video, I will actually reveal to you a bonus method which you can use with this website to make a lot more money, to actually make passive income with this website, so you can earn hundreds of dollars without liking those Facebook posts, those Instagram posts, Twitter posts, YouTube videos, or whatsoever. So if you don't want to do the hard work yourself, then stay until the end of the video and I will show you how you can automate the entire process for free. Now let me show you a real life example of how this works and how you will be collecting money with this website. Let's say for example I'm gonna get paid to leave YouTube likes. All I have to do is come over to this page, click on the like button, so I have all of these different videos which I can like and get paid for doing that. And let's say for example I want to like this video, I'll just click the like button right here. That's gonna redirect me to YouTube where I can watch the video for like 4 seconds, like the video, go back to the platform, and I will have my money collected. It's simple as that. And now you can pretty much repeat the same process again and again and again. The more you like, the more money you will earn. And when you run out of these videos to like on this page, just scroll a little bit down and click on load more pages, and that's gonna give you more YouTube videos which you can like and from which you can make money. So once again, let me show you how simple it is. You just click the like button, that will redirect you to YouTube where you can like the video, come back to the platform, and you will have your points added automatically, so you don't have to do any work after that. That's all you have to do, just click the like button, and that's it. Now if you want to maximize your results, you can also use other platforms. If you go to earn points/money, you can also leave Facebook likes, Instagram likes, as I said. So let's say for example I want to make some extra cash by leaving likes on Instagram. I will click on photo likes right here. That's gonna take me over to this page where I can start liking these posts. I will just click the like button, and that will redirect me to Instagram. I will just click the like button, and I will go back back to the platform and I will have my points added automatically. Now obviously this will not make you rich by itself because 5,000 points equals $1, so it's not gonna make you thousands of dollars every single day, but some side income for just leaving likes on social media, it's not bad at all and it's absolutely free. Now this is already likesplanet.com. The website is called Likes a Planet. Let me just log out to show you exactly how you will need to sign up, exactly how it works, and exactly how to set it up properly, and then I'm gonna show you how you can maximize your results and earn money automatically, earn some passive income with this website, so stay tuned for that. Now once you land on likesplanet.com, all you would have to do is click on the register button right here. So it might be a little bit confusing because it has all of this stuff on the website, all of these buttons, but that's all unnecessary. You just want to click the register button so you can create an absolutely free account by choosing a username for your account. So you can choose something unique for your own account, enter a valid email address in these two boxes, create a password, fill out the captcha and hit register. And now this is how it's going to look like once you log in into your brand new account. So here you will be able to track your points. There probably won't be a lot of points right now because it's a brand new account created just a minute ago, but that will change really soon once you start liking, once you start leaving likes on those social media platforms. And as you can see, they do have some contests all the time, so you can earn even extra points and extra cash. Like you can win up to 600 points every single day, and you also get a 200 points daily bonus, which is not bad at all. Once you decide to cash out with Likes Planet, all you have to do is click on the cash out button right here, and that's gonna take you to the page that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So that's how you withdraw money from Likes Planet. But to collect money, to collect those points which you can then exchange for money, you will need to hover your mouse where it says earn points/money and just select the social media platform which you want to use. Besides leaving likes, you can also visit websites, so just click on websites and get paid. You literally just need to click on the link and you will get paid for that. So it's really simple. Just select the platform you prefer, the platform which you want to leave likes on, click the like button as I showed you in this video, and you can collect some points which you can then exchange for real money. Now as I promised you at the beginning of this video, if you stay with me, I'm gonna show you how you can automate the entire process and earn some passive income from this. And you can do so by joining their referral program and earn 50% points off of your referrals plus 100 points per active referral plus 0.1 point per referral link visit. It's just insane. Just for clicks on your referral link, you will get points. Besides that, you will also get 50% off of your referrals earnings. So if a friend that you referred makes $1,000 with this website, you will receive $500 for absolutely free, completely passively. They will not lose $500. They will still get their $1,000. You will just get $500 extra as a bonus from Likes Planet. To grab your referral link, you will just need to hover your mouse right here and click on earn by referral right here. Now this is going to give you your special referral link which you can share with other people so they can join. So take this second referral link right here, so that's going to take them to the registration page, because if they sign up you will get paid. So they have a really great referral program which is going to allow you to make a decent amount of money even if you're not leaving likes yourself. And you don't have to spam your friends and family if you don't want to, because there are other traffic sources which you can use to get people that are interested in making money with this website, so you can refer literally over 1,000 people and make passive income for a lifetime. Now some of the best free traffic sources which you can use to find people that will be willing to sign up through your link so you can earn some passive income with Likes Planet is, one of the traffic sources is Trendry.com. This is a make money online forum where people that are interested in earning money online come gather and share different ideas. So you can join some of the threads right here. As you can see, there are loads of people on these websites, so you can join, for example, the Make Money Online forum. You can create a post and you can type in something along the lines of, this website will pay you to leave likes on YouTube, leave likes on Facebook. It's absolutely free, and you can use my link to sign up and just leave your link over there. Thousands of people will be able to see that link and potentially sign up, because for them it's absolutely free and they will earn some money. That's something that they're already interested in. They can earn some money for absolutely free. They don't need to spend any money, so a lot of them will be willing to sign up through your referral link. So that's one of the traffic sources. It's already trendy.com. You can then of course use Facebook and share in different Facebook groups about making money online. They have hundreds of thousands of members that will be willing to use your referral link, because once again you are sharing something with them that works, sharing something that's absolutely free and that's going to help them make money just for living lives in social media. So it will be really easy to find loads of referrals in all of these groups. As you can see, hundreds of thousands of people which you can refer to your referral link. And then finally, you can also use Quora.com. This is a place where people come to learn something, to ask and answer questions. So if you type in how to make money online or make money online in the search bar, that's gonna give you all of these people that have asked this question. So you can start replying to these questions and you can tell them that this website will pay them for free just for leaving likes on social media and leave your referral link over there. On Quora, you have a potential to be seen by hundreds of thousands of people, because this website is being visited by millions of people every single month. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see how you can make even more money online, then make sure to click on some of the videos that are on the screen right now. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. I will see you in some of those videos.